Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Triple S gravity table. Just going to do a walk around of the unit before we fire it up. In a minute we'll fire it up so you can see how well it runs. We took this unit completely apart, replaced all of the wear components. Everything is in good shape and is ready to run for a long time. These units have this nice precise airflow control iris. Just pulling on the lever like this will open it, and then pushing this way on the lever will close it. This allows you to get the airflow tailored perfectly to the needs of your crop. You can see the deck here. We completely rebuilt this deck. Has a lot of new wood on it. We put brand new cloth on this deck. You can see how nice it looks there. You can see the blower bar here as well. We took this apart and completely rebuilt it. It works like it should. You can see the inside of the feed hopper here. The flow of grain is controlled by this lever here. Just loosen the wing nut, pull down on the lever, and that opens up the feed gate. The shake speed on this unit is controlled by this crank here. Turning it to the left speeds it up, turning it to the right slows the shake speed down. In a minute you'll be able to see that work. This unit is powered by a 3-phase 10 horsepower motor. Okay, and here you can see the unit running. Now, because it's not bolted down to the floor, these have to be bolted to a solid concrete floor to work right. There's a lot of excess vibration, so we had to slow the shake speed down by quite a bit. You can see the unit runs very smooth and quiet. It would run a lot smoother bolted down to a solid concrete floor. I'll open up the fan here. Everything works like it should. All of the controls are free. I'm adjusting the shake speed now. You can see it's shaking a little bit faster. I can't speed it up too much because, like I said before, it's not bolted down. All of the controls are free, and everything works like it should. It's just an all-around good unit. It's completely rebuilt, and it's ready to go back to work for a long time.